Hello everyone, welcome back to another video my friends. Hope you are fine now and have a good day my friends. This video I'm present with another today update of the Cardano Ada. My friends, that is the latest update and live updates you're watching now on the screen my friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so click the subscribe button now and also like this video my friends. My friends, first of all, I want to congratulate all Cardano holders, because as I told you in my previous videos that now at this time the whole market is going down, and same like that the Cardano also fast down. But now at this time, the today update, the latest update, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, and now at this time the Cardano start pumping my friends. The price of Cardano start pump, so that is why first of all I want to congratulate my friends. And anyways, if you look the latest price update of the Cardano, so 1.53 USD dollar is the currently price of the Cardano, and maybe there is a chances in this time to the price increase, and the price of Cardano will going to 2 USD dollar my friends. But now the current situation, as I told you, that the previous time changes is going wrong, that is why the price is very low at this time. But I hope with the passage of time the price will again start pumping my friends. So that is the today alert news. And on the other side, if we look the price chart of the Cardano, so you can see here that as I told you tonight, yesterday tonight the price very pretty fast down, but now the current situation, the last 1 hour price situation is going positive my friends. And the highest price of the Cardano in the last 3 days is 1.63 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the Cardano in the last 3 days my friends, and the pricing is negative 0.38% negative change according to the Cardano. So how do you feel today about the Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box. And my prediction is 100% positive. Now after a fast they start pump, so I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.